Looking to elevate your burger game? Today we're gonna make fig and goat cheese burgers. To get started on making our burgers, I've used 1 pound of ground beef. I made them into 2 8-ounce patties, but you can easily make them into smaller ones and make 4 if you like. We're gonna season them with salt and pepper on either side. I have a skillet here that I'm heating up so it's nice and hot. Or of course you could grill these outside as well. Nice hot skillet, we're gonna drop them down. While my burgers are cooking, I'm caramelizing some onions. So that way they're ready for us to assemble our burgers. Our burgers are ready, nice and charred on both sides. And now we're gonna assemble them. So we have fresh brioche rolls here. So we're gonna assemble these decadent burgers. 1 on each roll. And then we're gonna assemble. So we have goat cheese. We have a fig jam. Oh my goodness, this is going to be very rich and delicious. Caramelized onions. Some arugula. And then we're gonna top the arugula with some balsamic glaze. Look at that. That looks pretty incredible. For the full recipe, visit nikkigleckis.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for my favorite products.